Use a hex key to slowly adjust the VVT actuator. Set the eccentric shaft to the minimum lift position. When removing the torsion spring, the cam lobes must not press on the intermediate lever. If necessary, rotate the camshaft. Position the special tool on the torsion spring. Make sure the rotation tool sits flat against the cylinder head. The front edge of the tool must engage above the spring. Both spring arms must be fully seated in the side guides of the tool. After securing the tool, slowly move the operating lever. Continue until it locks with the retaining hook. Carefully remove the rotation tool together with the torsion spring from the cylinder head. Place it into the holding fixture mounted in a vise. Carefully open the locking lever. Remove the torsion spring. Remove the pull rod. Take out the pull rod. Then remove the intermediate lever. All removed intermediate levers must be arranged in the order of removal. They must be reinstalled in their original positions.